Oh no, where are the animals? We gotta find them. Hey, hey! Look, this is a buffalo. This is a cat. This bird is a rooster. It's a pig. This is a sheep. Oh, a cow. It was part of our puzzle. Ta-da! Where's its spot? Something is wrong. I know. That's better, it's a cow. Baby cows are called calves, and they can have best friends. Hi, where are your kids? We'll help find them. The kids are right here. It's a kitten, the cat's baby. This is a calf, the cow's baby. A puppy, the dog's baby. These are chicks. They're the hen's babies. This is a foal. It's the horse's baby. A piglet? It's the pig's baby. Oh, we could use some magic. Abracadabra. Wow, it worked! Let's try it with the horse. Abracadabra. Woohoo, another horse! How about the pig? Hocus pocus. This is a pig, the one we need. Let's find the right place for it. Here it is. A pig can have 12 piglets at one time. So many animals. A bear. A rabbit. An elephant. A dog. A hedgehog. A fox. A hippo. A pig. A lion. A sheep. A cat. And a crocodile. Do you see it, guys? This is a cat. Let's see if it fits. Yes. Kittens purr when they're happy. What's inside these houses? Gotta check. It's a horse. And this is a frog. Which one's next? This. There's a fox inside. Next one. It's a donkey. This is a pig. There's a duck inside this house. This is a cow. I wonder what's in here. A rabbit. In this house, there's a dog. And the last house. This is a sheep. Hold on. I want to try something. This is a sheep from our puzzle. Here it goes. Baby sheep are called lambs. Hey, hi. Guys, let's put these puzzles together. Let's start with this one. The ears are here. Let's find this piece. Here it is. Now, the head. Found it. And the body, it's right here. It's a rabbit! On to the next piece. This is the one we need. Can you spot this piece? Yep, that's right. Now the legs. Here they are. Do you see any of these pieces? Aha! It's a cow! Next puzzle. Where's the head? Gotcha! How about this piece? These are the paws! We need the body. Right here. And finally the tail. Here it is. It's a cat. And the last puzzle. This piece must fit. These look like paws. Let's find the tail. Done. And the head. This is one of the pieces we need. But we need the eyes too. Yep, they're right here. It's a dog. Gotcha. This is the dog from our puzzle. Where's its place? Yep, right here. When puppies are born, they can't hear at first. These spots are empty. We need to fill them. What animal should be here? A cow! This is a goat. It goes here. A rabbit! Here's its spot. This is a pig. We'll put it right here. A horse! Here it goes. Next, we have a goose. This is a sheep. And this bird is a hen. Good job, friends. Woohoo, we got it. It's a hen. Let's take it to its place. Chicks are covered in super soft feathers. Oh, friends, this is a big puzzle. Let's fill in the gaps. What's this? Uh-huh. It's a cow. How about this spot? It's a tree. What's this? A tractor. Next one. It's a pig. I think I know what it is. A rooster. What animal is this? Yep, it's a goat. How about this spot? A horse should be there. It's something big. A house! Next one. This is a sheep. And the last spot. It's a goose. Well done, guys. We got a reward. Great! It's a goose. Where does it go? Right here. Baby geese are called goslings. We did it, friends! Good job! Thank you for your help. See you soon. Bye-bye.